Hello and welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products in the market. Today, we are going to talk about the IMNEXT2U laptop camera cover slide. This webcam cover is designed to protect your privacy and keep your personal data secure. Let's dive into the details. The IMNEXT2U laptop camera cover slide is the best webcam cover available in the market. It is designed to provide ultimate privacy and security for your devices. Whether you use a laptop, desktop, tablet, or smartphone, this camera cover has got you covered. Protects your personal and family privacy by sliding to cover the camera, preventing web hackers from spying. Ultra-thin design measuring only 0.027 inches thick, made of high-strength ABS plastic. Upgrade 3M adhesive stickers ensure firm attachment to your device without leaving any residue. Compatible with most laptops, computers, tablets, smartphones, and more. Easy to install and use, simply slide to open and close the cover. In conclusion, the IMNEXT2U laptop camera cover slide is the best choice to protect your privacy and security. With its ultra-thin design, easy installation, and compatibility with various devices, this webcam cover is a must-have accessory for anyone concerned about their privacy. Don't compromise on your security. Get the IMNEXT2U laptop camera cover slide today. That's all for today's review of the IMNEXT2U laptop camera cover slide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. Thank you for watching.